If you find writing drum lines for a guitar track challenging, that's the right video. I will give you an ultimate framework to write killer metal drums in 3 easy steps. The demo track and everything I show today is made using the free edition of Krimh Drums plugin from Bogren Digital. This version is free to download on the official website. The first step is to write the basic drum patterns. This is the basis of the final drum line. All basic drum patterns consist of 3 essential elements: tempo, accents and pulse. Tempo is a constant beat which builds the perception of speed in your music. Usually it's played with hi-hat. You need to choose the best tempo among multiple equal note durations. The proper one will give a desired speed feeling. Different song parts can have different tempo. You can use it to gain more or less tension to create a feeling of speeding up. Now about the accents. They highlight the specific moment of the rhythm. In metal music, it's the time when you wanna bang your head. Usually it's played with snare drum. You can also speed up your track by using snare hits more frequently. Pulse gives the additional motion to your rhythm. Usually it's played with kick. Pulse purpose is to complete the steady beat structure with an additional feeling of movement. It's hard to describe but very easy to feel. I highly recommend you to write the basic drum lines with just a kick, snare and a hi-hat. When it's done, you will feel that now your music track has the proper rhythmical environment. Please like and comment this video, it really helps me to develop this channel. The next step is adding cymbals. We do it to tailor the basic drum pattern to your specific music. This is a very important step on the way to the final drum line. There are multiple cymbals in a drum kit. They are used to make additional high accents for your rhythms. Also, you can change hi-hats for other cymbals in some parts to make it more contrast. That's what I've done in the breakdown part. All constant beats are played with China. The step 2 is done. 2 things we're missing right now are drum fills and Blastbeats. Drum fills help to divide song parts. It prepares the listener for the changes in your music. I recommend using drum fills at the end of each song part. Also, you should make a little change after each 4-bar block, just to make your line more natural. The good fill is the one that gives a smooth transition to the next song part. In some cases, you need to make less hits than more. This is how I made the transition to the breakdown part. Another important thing is a blast beat. This technique helps to strongly increase the intensity. But don't use it too often just to avoid the boringness of the full mix. A very important aspect when working with blast beats is that you need to make a smooth transition to the next part. You should avoid raw cuts at the end of the phrases. A good transition will save the integrity of a drum line. All tabs and multitracks are available on my Patreon page. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and see you soon!